All right, day 10 of solitary confinement. And during this time, it's pretty interesting. I've tried a lot of new things that I've never done before. For instance, I found this new channel on cable. It's called Netflix. It's pretty good. There's a couple new shows out there. You might be interested in them. One is Game of Thrones, brand new show. Pretty fun. Breaking Bad is another new show. Pretty neat. So I watched the first couple of those new episodes. I hope it continues because it's pretty good. The other new thing that I've been trying for the first time is home delivery for food service. I tried Amazon Fresh for the first time. And it was delivered this morning. And it started making me think about work management process. How do we identify work? How do we prioritize that work? How do we plan it? How do we schedule it? How do we get the materials together for kitting? How do we execute it safely? And then, of course, the closeout and then the analysis. So I started thinking about that this morning because one of the things that I ordered recently was breakfast from Amazon Fresh. Really neat service. It's a whole kit. So I started the process out by saying, okay, what is the required work? Breakfast. That's a good one. Okay. How do we prioritize that? I'm told breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So I prioritize my meal. Now, how do I plan it? Well, I like a good old American breakfast, meat and eggs. So I ordered it, I planned it, and it was delivered. Now I'm scheduling it. It's first thing in the morning. It's now 7:48 in the morning. So let me see. This is pretty neat. Now after I schedule it, I'm going to kit it. So there's a couple neat things here. In the kit, I have coffee. They sent butter. I got my eggs. So far, so good. I got the bacon. This is all part of the kit. I got my bread. I got milk. A little damaged, but I got the milk. And then the most important thing, I got my Tabasco. I got my Tabasco. I got my Tabasco. Gosh, how much Tabasco? Oh man, I got enough Tabasco to last me a while. Oh yeah, a couple of little bad boys right here. What else? A couple other little bad boys right there. And just one more for good measure. All right, so I got all of my kit here to produce my breakfast. Now I'm gonna execute it. I'm gonna cook up the eggs, the bacon, right? And I'm gonna do it safely. Now, the next thing that needs to be done in the process is close out and feedback or analysis. So after I'm done cooking my breakfast, I am positive that I will get some feedback from my wife on how well I clean the dishes. That's the feedback, and I have to listen to it. Anyways, stay safe, stay healthy.